Hi guys, it's Will here from Overcome Sciatica, and in this quick tip video I'm going to show you a technique for pain relief if you've got sciatica in your left side. Okay, so this technique will obviously work if you've got it in your right side, but today we're going to pretend it's the left. So if it is the right that you're suffering with, just swap it over, okay? So you'll see what I mean in a minute. So what we're going to do basically is we're going to talk through a quick technique which is kind of a stretch to give you a little bit of pain relief from the buttock, and then we'll talk you through another technique which should give you some pain relief down the lower leg into the foot as well. So like I said, sciatica in this example is in your left side, the right side is pain-free. So conversely to what a lot of physiotherapists and other healthcare professionals say, we're going to leave the painful side, the left side, well alone. So we're just going to focus on the right side, okay? So what we're going to do, I'm going to start off in a chair. So you're going to get yourself nice and supported in the chair. You probably want one where you can sit right up against it just for a bit of comfort, all right? You're going to start off by lifting up your good leg. So this is the right leg, the good leg, and you're going to cross it over to here like this. So you're going to sit in this cross leg position, okay? What you're then going to do is you're going to wrap your hands underneath your knee and you're going to pull up. And you're going to keep pulling until you feel a stretch in this area here, so in the right side buttock. It should be quite pain-free for you really if your sciatica's in the left side, and you're just going to hold this for 30 seconds, all right? The reason we don't do it with the painful side is because quite often that will really aggravate it, especially if you've got something like piriformis syndrome where the buttock area is super tight, and you want to basically avoid stretching it as much as possible to avoid irritating the sciatic nerve. So you're going to stretch this side, you're going to hold for 30 seconds, and you're going to repeat a few times. So we'll imagine that we're accelerating this process on, but make sure you are doing it for 30 seconds. You're then going to stop and you're going to move straight into the second exercise. So for this one, you're going to remain in the chair, but you're going to stretch a different muscle and you're going to do it in a slightly different way. So you're going to extend your good leg out, put your hands underneath, and then you're just going to lift up. And you're going to keep lifting up like this for 20 repetitions. Again, this is the good leg, so we're leaving this one well alone. If you're currently suffering from sciatica, you'll know that doing that in that side is going to make your symptoms 10 times worse. So we'll leave that one well alone and just do it with the good side. So you're going to do 20 repetitions a few times over. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to have a feel of this leg when you stand up, when you extend it, and see if it's made a difference. If it has, the effects can often be instant, so you might feel a change straight away. And if it hasn't, you may need to come back to it later in the day. Keep repeating it as long as it's not aggravating your symptoms, and over time you should start to feel this bad side release. So that's it. I hope that was a useful tip for you, something you can use today. Please let me know if this worked for you by leaving a comment in the section below, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. Thanks very much and see you next time.